Meaning of eats.
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 Eats. The word eats typically refers to the action of consuming food or drink, often with the mouth. The result of eating can vary depending on a number of factors, such as the type and quantity of food consumed, individual health and metabolism, and cultural and social norms around eating. Generally speaking, though, the act of eating is necessary for sustaining life and providing the body with essential nutrients and energy. Overeating or consuming unhealthy food choices can lead to negative health outcomes, while mindful and balanced eating can promote overall well-being.